Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, December 7th, I believe. Friday, December 7th. I had class this morning, and then Emily and I got lunch, and then I just hung out in the UC for a little bit, and now I'm back in my room. I don't have to work at all this weekend, so that's so nice. I'm planning on being super productive and working on like my Mary Kay stuff and working on some YouTube stuff, but we'll see what actually happens. But yeah, I think I'm just going to put you guys in fast forward mode, and I'm going to pick up my room a little bit because seriously, it is a mess. Like, let me just show you guys. Drinking some coffee, by the way. Get myself going at almost 5 o'clock. All that has to be put away. These are just books. Laundry I have to do. My bed needs to be made. This is just like, that is my secret sister, so I'm not going to show you guys that, but that's the stuff I got last night. Just going to put that stuff away. Shoes need to get put away. My desk, seriously, this is just a mess. Like, so that all needs to get put away. But other than that, I don't really think I have much to do. I probably won't do laundry tonight just because I have a lot of it to do and I don't want to stay up super late. So I will probably do that tomorrow. I'm also going to make a list of all the things I want to get done this weekend and start making a list of the things that need to go home with me over winter break. I have a while yet, but I like to start planning ahead so that I don't forget anything. And then this week, I'm actually going to New Ulm to my sister's graduation. So I will take you guys along with me for that, but I should start kind of figuring out what I'm going to wear and what I'm going to need to take with me for that. I'm just going for one night. Wednesday to Thursday, so that'll be fun. We'll go on a little trip, and yeah, so that's what I have going on tonight. So like I said, I'm gonna turn some music on, put you all in fast forward mode, and get this room cleaned. I'm listening to my Spotify's like most played of 2018 or whatever, that playlist that they make for you. But I will link my Spotify down below if you guys want to go give me a follow. My favorite playlist that I have, this is what I'm listening to, your top songs 2018, but my favorite playlist that I have is called Mad, and this has like 518 songs on it, so that's 30 hours, but this is my favorite playlist. Like, if I don't know what I want to listen to, this is the playlist that I go to because it literally has like a mix of everything on it. So if you guys want to go check that out, I will link it in the description box below for you guys.
Merry Christmas! Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ding, ding, lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you. Come on, come on, come on. Lovely weather for sleigh ride together with you, with you, with you.
I have it all cleaned up now. These are my shoes. I just fixed them. Obviously, my desk looks a lot better. This bag, if you watched my vlog yesterday, you know this is my Christmas outfit. So this is going straight home with me. That's why I left it in the bag. So it's all together. But I just cleaned all that up. Made my bed. These are kind of my snacks for later. Still haven't eaten that bacon cheddar popcorn, but it's good. And then I have a body armor. This is the strawberry banana flavor. My favorite, I think it's called Tropical Punch. That's my favorite. Cleaned up that pile of laundry that was right there. And then this stuff all has to go back into my food locker.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling. Lovely weather for staying right together with you. Outside the snow is falling, friends are calling you. Come on, come on, come on. Lovely weather for staying right together with you, with you, with you. Giddy up, let's go. Let's go. We're riding in a wonderland. Giddy up, it's great. Just hold hands. We're riding on.
Hey you guys, I am signing off for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. It was kind of different, just kind of cleaning with me and hanging out with me. See you guys tomorrow. I love y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more Vlogmas episodes.